Hello everyone and welcome to Flipkart. Today we'll be reviewing the new MI LED TV 4A Pro, one of India's smartest Android TV which comes in 32, 43 and 49-inch variants. New MI LED TV 4A Pro comes with ultra bright HD display so that you can enjoy your favorite shows and movies in true to life colors and details. It has a powerful 20-watt stereo speakers that have been customized specially for their customers to enhance their experience. The patch wall brings all your favorite content right on your homepage, specially tailored for you as this TV offers thousands of movies, shows and games from Google Play, YouTube and your favorite apps just at one place. The MI LED TV 4A Pro remote control now comes with a dedicated Google Voice button which activates at your command and plays your favorite content for you. Just say it and it will play it after a quick online search for you. The intuitive design with zero learning curve is what makes it a unique experience. The new MI TV provides best-in-class port and connectivity options like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.2, 3 HDMI with 1 ARC, 2 USB, 3.5mm aux and AV port. This TV supports flagship level of 64-bit quad-core processor with 7th generation advanced Amlogic True Life image engine that provides motion-compensated noise reduction and spatial noise reduction. It works on a superscaler technology for intelligent upscaling, that is VP910 codec that supports up to 4K at 60 FPS for YouTube for future-proof. So, come aboard the Flipkart family for seamless purchase experience with quick delivery, hassle-free installations, detailed demo and assured brand warranty for all your appliances.